Welcome to another Monarch Snapshot video. I'm Jason Martin, a Technical Innovation Product Manager here at the American Printing House for the Blind. In today's lesson, we're going to cover how to play a game of chess and how to go through the tutorial. And so from my main menu, I'm going to go to All Applications. I'm going to use first letter navigation.
All applications.
A for All Applications and hit enter.
Main menu, all apps. Ecosia.
And then I'm going to use M for Monarch Chess.
Monarch Chess.
All right.
Monarch Chess.
So when we load into chess, we hear the game rumbling up, and you see this lovely come on title sequence that says Monarch Chess in print and braille, and press enter.
Main menu. New game.
And so I'd suggest when you first come to chess, even though you might be a chess grandmaster, you may not know how to play our version of chess, and I suggest looking at the tutorial. So I'm just going to space
tutorial
down to tutorial and hit enter.
Tutorial. Full tutorial.
And so at any point in time, you can come back to this tutorial. It's pretty big, so you might not finish it in one setting. You can back out, and then you can space down and find where you stopped, or say you didn't get a concept and you need some refreshing. You can just kind of come back to it in different places. So if I hit enter to bring up this full tutorial.
Monarch Chess. Welcome to the Monarch Chess tutorial. To move through the slides, use the page up and page down buttons. To quit the tutorial, press space plus E. Slides with scrollable text have the symbol.
So this will start the tutorial, and if I hit the pan down key like it says.
When chess is played on a classic board, it consists of 64 squares. The color of the squares alternate between white and black.
So if I just went through this tutorial with the pan key, it's going to show me everything I need to do to play chess. So that's just getting us in the tutorial. Say you were spiffy and you've already been through this. Let's go ahead and get into a full game of chess. I'm going to back out of this.
Tutorial. Full tutorial. Main menu. New game.
We're going to go to new game and hit enter.
Choose
and
opponent.
you can play against a
CPU.
computer or against a human opponent. And because it's just me, I'm going to choose computer.
Choose CPU difficulty.
And we're
Very
going to
easy.
go with very easy.
Monarch Chess. White rook, A1.
And if I press enter, it boots up the main game of chess. And I can use my directional keys to move
White pawn,
the
B2.
cursor around to select my piece.
White pawn, D2.
Can use the space bar to select. And it shows me all of the places the pawn can move. And I can feel that on the board with hash marks. If I find a place, I can arrow
D4.
up and press enter. Also with chess, if I wanted to, while I'm waiting for the black piece to move, let's see. Move.
Black pawn, D7 to D5.
Finally did. But if I wanted to, I could use my point and click gestures here and actually find the piece I want to move. Point and click.
White pawn, E2.
And then find where I want to move it and point and click
E4.
that way. And so I did a terrible opening move in chess that nobody should do. But this is effectively how you would start a game of chess and play
Black
it
knight,
to
B8 to
completion.
C6.
So this should get you started playing chess, and I hope that this will be the first of many games to come. This has been another Monarch Snapshot video from your friends at the American Printing House for the Blind and Humanware.